That's what I mean by one more. So, all right, we're gonna follow this routine every time. Every time we got a trig problem, we're gonna follow this routine. So, circle the angle, label the sides. Yeah, 62 is my reference point. That makes 48 opposite. It's on the opposite side of the triangle from 68. And that makes x the adjacent side. It's right next to you. This is the hypotenuse. So that's adjacent. This is opposite. That makes the function we're choosing a tangent. Remember, that was the first thing in the next step. Write the trig equation. We got to pick a trig function. O and A, tangent. Yeah, tangent of what? The angle in the circle. Yeah. And remember, tangent is opposite over adjacent. What was opposite in my picture? Opposite was yeah, and adjacent was yeah. Exactly right. All right. Step 4, solve time. Calculator. Yeah. Exactly right. So wait a minute. We have to solve this one a little bit differently, right? Before x was on top, so we could just multiply both sides by, well, can we do that anyway? Yeah, let's do that anyway and see what happens. You see where I'm going now? What happens to those two x's? Yeah, so now we can just poof, gone. Yeah, and now to get x alone, I divide both sides by, yeah, exactly right. A little bit more calculator work. Yeah, exactly right. Very, very nice. Okay, I lied. I got one more. You got to see this last one. One more. Ooh, okay, we haven't seen one like this. I told you to stick around for this last one, man. So now look what our unknown is. Our unknown is this angle. We're trying to find out what this angle is. Yeah. Now listen, this process don't change. Let's do it. Yeah. All right, if this is the angle we're trying to find, then that's the angle I circled. That's my reference angle. So of course I got adjacent up there and a hypotenuse down here. Yeah, which function uses A and H? Cosine. Yeah, cosine of what? Angle in the circle. X. Exactly right. Now cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. What's adjacent and hypotenuse of my triangle? Yeah, 10 over 16. All right, but our unknown here is x. How can I undo this cosine in front of it to get the x? Your calculator knows. We use what's called inverse trig. So on your calculator, it'll look like this. Yeah, on your calculator, you're gonna have to hit the second button on a TI or the shift button on a Casio before you hit cosine. Because what you're looking for is this inverse cosine, the cosine of the -1 exponent. That means we're doing the inverse so we can get the angle. Yeah, if you do this correctly in your calculator, put that fraction in parentheses, you'll get this. Yes, 51.3 degrees. So the cosine of 51.3 degrees is 10 over 16. And that's what we'll go there. Oh yeah, man, I hope this helps. We'll do some word problems in another video, I promise. That's it for now, man. I held on to you long enough. Thanks for coming by, man.